This time, we will learn about the systemic circulation. This involves the heart, blood vessels, lungs, and of course the rest of the body parts. Let us start in the heart. Let us first identify its major parts. Our heart is divided into 4 chambers. This has 2 sides, the right and the left chambers, or upper and lower chambers. The right side of the heart is where the oxygenated blood flows, while oxygenated on the other side. These upper chambers are called atria. These are the receiving chambers, while the lower chambers are the pumping ventricles. For the discussion, we have 2 types of blood. First is the deoxygenated blood, which is denoted by blue color. This blood is rich in carbon dioxide, which flows in the right side of the heart. The other one is oxygenated blood, which is denoted by red color, that is rich in oxygen and flows in the left side of the heart. This right here is the superior vena cava. Below it is the inferior vena cava. These are veins that carry the oxygenated blood from the body. This blood enters the right atrium. Between right atrium and right ventricle is a tricuspid valve. The function of this valve, this one, another in here, and here, is to prevent backflow of blood. So blood only flows in one direction. Now, the oxygenated blood which passes through this tricuspid valve is now in the right ventricle. Blood is then pumped out, passing through a pulmonary valve, this right here. It continues to flow in these pulmonary arteries until it reaches the right and the left lungs. Inside the lungs, this deoxygenated blood reaches further the capillaries that surround an alveolus. Between the capillaries and the alveolus, a gas exchange occurs, wherein carbon dioxide is unloaded from the stream of the oxygenated blood into the alveolus, while oxygen from here is loaded into the capillaries, making the blood oxygenated. By this time, blood is already rich in oxygen. This oxygenated blood will return to the heart through these pulmonary veins. It is then received by the left atrium, then passes through this bicuspid valve to reach the left ventricle. The left ventricle will then pump out this oxygenated blood through this aortic valve and into the aorta. Aorta is the largest artery which branches further to reach the rest of the body parts to provide oxygen to every single cells of the body. When it reaches the body cells, gas exchange will take place again, but in reverse. Oxygen will be unloaded for the cells to absorb, while carbon dioxide from those cells are loaded into the bloodstream as waste products. Then the process repeats over and over again. You know now how your blood circulates inside your body to keep you alive and kicking. Bye for now. See you in the next video. Happy learning!